Alright, where to begin? While it is not quite a big red button, this big blue button in the bottom right is very important. This is the slice button, and this is where the magic happens. We will ignore the settings for now and just talk about what slice does. When we click slice, Cura will take whatever settings we have and tell us how long it would take to print and how much material it will actually use. This is very helpful as we look to keep our model under 11 hours, and today we'll be clicking slice every time we change a setting so we can start to understand what affects print time. So let's just click slice and see how long it would take to print with the default settings. Okay, so it would take 8 hours and 35 minutes, and if we put our mouse over here, we see at the very bottom that material estimation for PLA is 53 grams of plastic, which would cost $5.30. And once we've actually clicked slice, we can also click on preview at the very top, and this shows us what our 3D model will look like when it's printed. Right now it looks the same, but we can click and hold down on this bar on the right, and we can actually zoom in, and this is something that lets us look layer by layer at every single layer of our print. And this can be very useful in inspecting your print and making sure that it comes out exactly how you want it to be. So now that we have a baseline time, let's start changing some settings and clicking slice as we go.